Damn, what's up guys? It's your boy Cardan Vibes again, you see me? So me there. Today now, yeah, me talk bad enough. There. So yo, now, me go cut me hair. Do little barbering, you see me? Me not cut off none of my top, me just I go fade back his side and line, you see me? Cause, you know, we locked up and tied up, we can't go no barber. Besides, me not go barber, me always cut my own hair. So, me not really want to shave now still if me brush me hair and thingy kinda, but me just kinda feel like just touch up and think, you see me? My next channel, me think me gonna do a motivational video soon, so more look good for the camera. So, me maybe, yeah. So now, you look, me have two share. Me have this. Me normally use this a lot. Like it good and nice. It's me cut clean. You can line but in a really line bright. Now me have a real shear now, a real liner. This a doing thing. A real barber, you know. So let's get to work now. So bam. Alright, so yeah man, Cardan Vibes again, you see me? So before I brush your hair, you know, make sure it's a hair well sort out. Put this right there. Yeah man, me have a vibe man. Me a barber, you see me? I joke man, me only barber for myself, brothers. Only for myself. Good when you can do every little thing, you see me? Every little thing you can do. Me normally go barber often in the back in high school. Backside, the man them ain't kill me. Then I tax out my backside. $500 every week. Cause you don't know someone I normally want to shave every week to get your line them right. Oh, share a bad too, you know. You know, if you charge but you wireless as well. Hope you full charge, I don't know. But let me see what I go on. Oh, it look like it's good. On this side, I feel like it up. I feel like it should. Because it's a good side, right? Yeah, because it. Yeah, I'm on gauge. No, I'm on good gauge. That was tiresome. Alright, do next side now. I'm not gonna stop the camera now. So I'm doing next side now. Cause just to fade me fade this side. I don't know how much. I never really want line so. My left handed too, you know, but I can use my right hand. I can use both hands. But I'm more strong. I can use my left hand more because I'm left handed, but I can use both hands. Now I almost right hand as my left hand still. That weird. So I use both hands, left, right. Weird, that weird. Again. Me always, this is one I'm happy, you know, me like, me enjoy shaving myself, like me enjoy doing it. Apart from making comedy videos and also professional videos and also video editing and also graphic designing and then thing there, me also love trim myself, so me have no my mustache now, you see me? Yeah. Me not act one comedy video and me look yourself. Me say yes too much here there so I'm done there in the middle. Me I go just kinda like fade it down little and then shave it up. Oh me have yes. Remember to check out my motivational YouTube channel, Nicardo Shirley TV. I do motivational videos, how to, you see me? Yeah. Also how to videos like how to grow on YouTube, how to create a thumbnail. Nicardo Shirley TV. Link gonna be in my description, bro. What time for line, you see me? When I gonna use this one here to get the line bright, but I not use it cause reason being I not think I gonna come out there all speed next 2 months. Or next 1 month. I say 2 months. Next 1 month. I think me have no date. My date gone left me. My date gone left me, so I'm just a lonely guy. No girl to talk to or something, so no need for pretty up. Little D gone. Little D, I'm gonna cry. So, like how that out the way, I just use this, just to take off look like roughy. This can line as me saying, but you know go bright as in you go on a date or you go on a video call with a girl and you want pretty up. Alright, so this I can do it thing, so let's see how I go. The next step now, line the front. Whew. Oh man, me finally finished guys. Yo. But before me show you how the thing shot, I think me go shower first. I go shower that me can wash my face, take off like moist. So yeah man, me gonna see what I got. So me I go just clean up the place and thing and beard and then me gonna judge, tell me if me do good, if you have a vibe or tell, yeah, you see me, so stay tuned, hush. So me just have a shower and thing. Look for the fade. Tell me if me not bad. Look. Bam. See water run off of me. So yeah man, Cardan vibes. I just kinda clean up my face a bit, you see me? It kinda cool. Oh shit, me not brush my teeth yet. Alright, I'm gonna brush my teeth then edit a video. A video where you watch right now, I'm gonna edit it right now. Brush my teeth and edit it. So yeah man, ush. Oh, me now go bother go do me say me go do comedy skit right now after me do this, but I realize I gone too long cause this a video right now approximately 10 minutes or 9 minutes or 8 minutes. If me do a comedy skit behind the scene, when me put it on this it gonna be about 20 minutes. It gone too long. So me just do this separately, then me do that and do it now a separate video. You see me? Ush. Ush.